Are you tired of dealing with unreliable trailer wiring that leaves your taillights flickering or not working at all? When it comes to towing, a solid electrical connection isn't just convenient, it's essential for your safety and peace of mind. The Tekonsha 16-gauge bonded wire kit with a 4-way flat plug offers a straightforward, weatherproof solution that eliminates guesswork and keeps your trailer's lights functioning perfectly every time. I've seen firsthand how frustrating trailer wiring issues can be. Before switching to Tekonsha's kit, my 2004 Toyota Tacoma's right rear taillight on the trailer would sometimes fail to light up or blink, thanks to a previous wiring setup that just didn't hold up. The difference? Tekonsha's design uses multiple wires on the right side instead of a single green wire, improving current flow and reliability. Installation was surprisingly simple, no cutting, splicing, or taping of vehicle wires needed. Most of my time went into neatly routing and securing the wires with zip ties, making the whole process clean and hassle-free. What you get with Tekonsha is a solid, one-piece construction that's built to withstand the elements. The kit supports a stop-turn circuit capacity of 2.1 amps and a taillight circuit capacity of 5 amps, ensuring your trailer's lights respond exactly when they should. Plus, with over 55 years of experience leading the industry in T1 connectors, Tekonsha's commitment to quality means you're getting trusted technology designed for a wide range of vehicle and trailer combinations. If you're ready to upgrade your trailer wiring to something dependable and easy to install, this kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready, and hit the road with confidence.